What if you could point an AI agent at any website, type one command, and get a clean, modern rebuild of it in minutes? That's the promise of the AI website cloner template, an open source project that just blew past 24,000 GitHub stars, and I just tested it for real on my own machine. Here's the idea. It's not an app and it's not a library. It's a template repository. You get a ready-made Next.js 16 project with React 19, Tailwind version 4, and Shad CN UI, plus one powerful / command called clone website. Your AI coding agent does all the work. The pipeline runs in 5 phases. First, reconnaissance, where the agent screenshots the target and extracts design tokens. Then foundation, fonts, colors, and assets. Then it writes detailed component specs with exact CSS values. Then parallel builder agents construct each section in separate Git worktrees. And finally assembly with a visual comparison against the original. The magic is in this skill file. It tells the agent to act like a foreman walking a job site. As it inspects each section of the page, it writes a spec and immediately hands it to a specialist builder agent. My favorite rule: if a builder has to guess a single color or padding value, extraction has failed. Setup is simple. Use the template on GitHub, clone it, and run npm install. One honest catch: it wants Node 24 or newer. I'm on Node 22, so I got an engine warning, but all 623 packages installed fine and everything ran out of the box. The dev server shows just one line: clone target not yet built. So I gave it a real test. I pointed the workflow at the Ollama homepage and followed the exact process the skill file describes. Screenshot the target, download the real assets, extract the content, and rebuild. And here is the result, side by side. Original on the left, my clone on the right. The navigation, the waving llama, the headline, the PowerShell install box, even the terminal card, same layout, same spacing, real downloaded assets. This took minutes, not days. Here's the live browser recording from my test. First, the real Ollama site, then the clone running on localhost 3000. Scrolling through both, the structure holds up remarkably well. This is a real Next.js codebase you can now edit, restyle, and build on. What I like: it's free and MIT licensed. The multi-agent architecture is genuinely clever. Small tasks mean perfect results. It works with basically every AI coding tool: Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Windsurf, and more. The output is a clean modern stack, and the skill file itself is a masterclass in agent prompting. Now, the honest downsides: it's not standalone. You need an AI coding agent, and long clone runs burn tokens. It needs Node 24 to be fully supported. Browser automation is required. No browser tool, no clone. It only clones the front end, no back end, no database. Complex animated sites will still challenge it. And obviously, respect copyright and terms of service. This is for learning and migration, not ripping off designs. My verdict: this template is one of the smartest uses of AI coding agents I've tested, and a free masterclass in multi-agent orchestration. Clone your own site into a modern stack, or study how the prompts are written. Link in the description. If this was useful, subscribe for more real tests. See you in the next one.